Hey there, it's Todd, and let's talk about the rules of composition as it pertains to shooting video. So once you understand all the bells and whistles of your camera, the next thing you need to understand is how to point your camera to get the best shot. Here are some rules of composition to help you find that. Now, our first rule is the rule of thirds. Your instinct is probably to put your subject directly in the center of the frame, but that may not be the best way. Imagine that your image is divided into 9 equal parts by 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines. Then place your subject where the lines intersect. This should add balance and interest in your shots. Luckily, most new cameras have a built-in 3x3 grid to help you with this. Next are leading lines. Our eyes are naturally drawn to follow lines. So when framing your subject, look for lines in your environment to help draw attention to your subject. And lines are everywhere. Roads, sidewalks, stairways, railings, buildings, walls, they're everywhere. So definitely keep an eye out for leading lines to enhance your video. And finally, let's talk about creating depth. Depth is all about layers, and those layers are foreground, middle ground, and background. So when framing your shot, pay attention to what's in the foreground, what's in the middle ground, and what's in the background to make sure that you're creating depth in your shots. The best way to make sure that you're creating depth in your shot is to make sure that you're not shooting subjects directly against a wall. Pull that subject out away from the wall and you'll instantly create some depth. Now, those are just a few rules of composition, but by utilizing those, that should make your best shot even better. And obviously, rules are meant to be broken, but master the rules and then you can start bending them. And with that being said, if you want to learn more in-depth information about this subject or just shooting video in general, check out the Fronos Photo Guide to Shooting Video. I teamed up with Jared Poland from Fronos Photo to create over 6 hours of educational video about everything shooting video. And the best part is that once we show you all the ins and outs on how to shoot video, we take you on 4 real-world video shoots and show you how to shoot a music video, a commercial, a short film, and even a YouTube video. If that sounds like something you might be interested in, go check it out at fronosphoto.com/video and check it out for yourself. And you can take advantage of an exclusive discount just for you.